All right, I am currently installing the stereo system. First thing I did was run the wire, the power wire. From there, I was able to tuck it underneath there, and then this little place down there. I can't see it that, but it's a place down there where you can actually run the wire through. A little rubber piece, you just poke a hole through it, and just run it through. Then from there, let's see. Then from there, don't got it all cleaned up, but got it apart. Then from there, you can just run it, underneath the carpet. Right up here, and then run it all the way to the back. So that's how you want to run your power wire. First step. All right, my peeps, still putting in the system. So what I need to do is, since this is a factory system, I need to tap into it so I have the signals go out into my digital converter. So I just took the dash apart. This thing right here is all clips. It's all clips. All you gotta do is just pop it out. Clips. This part right here, in there like that, is a clip. And then there's something on the top here that clips out. It exposes 2 screws. Let's see, 2 screws there. I took one of them out already. And then there's 2 more screws there. There's 2 more screws that holds the radio. I think something like, about right there. You can't see it. There's 2 more screws that's there that exposes the radio. So go ahead and pop this radio out real quick here. That's how you pull the radio out. And it comes out. Oops. And that's how you pull the radio out. And then it's not much to the radio. Look how thin this thing is. Looks like they switched the radio up for the 2020. Don't know what that is, but it doesn't look like ordinary speaker cable. I'm gonna have to see if there's an amp or something to track it to. If all means, I'll have to pop the speakers out and tap it that way. But fortunately, I can't get it from the radio because don't know what source this is, but it doesn't definitely look like speaker wires. So let me figure it out. So you got 2020. Don't bother pulling out the radio. Not gonna do you any good. All right, my people, I found something. This car does have an amp. 2020 does. It's located right underneath the left passenger's quarter panel. If you look underneath here, there it is. I knew I'll find it. It's right there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have to tap into it from there, and then, damn it, then run the wire. Shoot. So, well, I spoke too soon, but I did find it. It's right here. Anybody with a 2020 Malibu trying to put a stereo system in here? That's where you gotta go. Looks like there is a factory amp right there. All right. Well, as I continue my build, looks like I could plug it into the cigarette lighter plug. Looks like when I tested it, it came on when the car came on. So I use that, and I'll run that to my remote wire. We're just stringing along and run it to the back of the car. So it's coming along slowly but surely. So yeah, this is the process of just trying to get all the wires laying down.
You guys, at the end result of this video, I do have all my wires. I got my grounds hooked up, got the lead wire, got the remote wire, and I got the input wire. So this step is done. So
okay, what I'm building now is I'm doing the amp rack. So right now the amp rack is being built, was built, and install the amp and all the other necessity as well today. Yeah. As you can see, I got the amp rack installed, got a cut. See, I got the amp rack cut. Yeah, it looks kind of raggedy now, but it's just an amp rack. Not gonna really see it. It's just some extra board I had from my old box. I just decided to recycle it. So not gonna really see this. Yeah, that's my amp rack. All right, people. As you can see, I just put the bracket in just for a quick reference, just to look at it to see what I want to do with it. Looks like I might keep it there because that way I can string all the wires through there and all the wires through there. I think that might be a good place for it. And I can be ample room for the box. So I think I'll keep it right there. That looks good. All right, you guys. After running all the wires, do have it pretty much hooked up. That's how it's gonna look. I do got the amp rack. Got it mounted right there, and yeah, I'm very excited how this project is going on so far. So I do have it hooked up. So in the next video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and build the box and see what happens. All right, you guys. Wait till the next video.